Hello friends, welcome to E2C, your one-stop solution for all MBA entrance exam. So in this video, I'll be covering the most important current affair questions for CMET examinations part 10. So let's get started with the video. Question number 1. Which university has won the Engaged University of the Year 2020 Asia Pacific Award? So the correct answer option A, which is Don Bosco University. Assam's Don Bosco University won the Engaged University of the Year 2020 Asia Pacific Award on 10th January. Question number 2. Which country has launched the world's fastest driverless bullet train? So the correct answer is option B, which is China. A new driverless bullet train connecting a Chinese cities of Beijing and Jiangkou is capable of reaching a top speed of up to 217 mph, making it the world's fastest autonomous train in operation. Question number 3. Which football club has won the Spanish Super Cup? So the correct answer option C, which is Real Madrid. Real Madrid Football Club has won the Spanish Super Cup. Question number 4. JP Demi has announced his retirement from all forms of cricket. He hails from which country? So the correct answer option D, which is South Africa. JP Demi announced retirement from professional cricket after 326 South African caps. South Africa batsman JP Demi has announced his retirement from all forms of cricket after playing career that spanned almost 20 years. Question number 5. The first session of Indian-Norway dialogue on trade and investment was held in which city? So the correct answer option C, which is New Delhi. The first session of India-Norway dialogue on trade and investment was convened in New Delhi on 15th and 16th January 2020. The session was based on the terms of reference signed between India and Norway on 8th January 2019 in New Delhi during the visit of Prime Minister of Norway. This was the first meeting after signing the DTI. Question number 6. According to a new guideline issued for establishing petrol pump, any petrol pump can't be established in dash meters radius of school, hospital or residential areas. So the correct answer is option C, which is 50 meter. CPCB guidelines said that any retail outlet of petrol pump should not be established in the 50-meter radius of any school, hospital and residential complex. If there is any petrol pump located in such places, then it must have obey the rules of petroleum and explosive safety organizations. Question number 7. Which among the following has launched a Edge browser for Windows and Mac? So the correct answer is option B, which is Microsoft. Microsoft Edge is a cross-platform web browser developed by Microsoft. It was first released for Windows 10 and Xbox One in 2015, then for Android and iOS in 2017, for Mac OS in 2019, and as a preview of Linux in October 2020. Question number 8. Who has been appointed as Queen's Counsel for the Court of England and Wales? So the correct answer is option A, which is Mr. Harish Salve. Senior advocate Mr. Harish Salve has been appointed the Queen's Counsel for the Court of England and Wales. This was announced by the United Kingdom's Ministry of Justice Department. Appointment is done by the Queen on the advice of the Lord Chancellor. Question number 9. Who has been awarded MREC Young Scientist Award 2019 for doing remarkable research in chemical science? So the correct answer is option D, which is Sakya Sinha Sen. Mr. Sakya Sinha Sen, a senior scientist from CSIR National Chemical Laboratory, Pune, has received the MREC Young Scientist Award 2019 in chemical science recently at Bangalore, instituted by MREC, a science and technology company operating worldwide. Question number 10. The entire government of which country has resigned after its president announced some constitutional amendments? So the correct answer is option B, which is Russia. Russia's government has resigned after President Vladimir Putin proposed sweeping constitutional changes that could prolong his stay in power. Question number 11. Which cricketer was named as the captain of ICC's ODI and Test teams of the year? So the correct answer is option C, which is Virat Kohli announced captain of Test side. The International Cricket Council announced the men's T20, ODI, and Test team of the decade, naming former Indian captain MS Dhoni as the leader of both sides. Question number 12. Which company has announced to become carbon negative by year 2030? So the correct answer option C, which is Microsoft. Microsoft announced an ambitious goal and a new plan to reduce the ultimately remove its carbon footprint. By 2030, Microsoft will be carbon negative, and by 2050, Microsoft will remove from the environment all the carbon the company has emitted either directly or by electrical consumption since it was founded in 1975. Question number 13. Who has been selected for the Madhya Pradesh government's prestigious National Lata Mangeshkar Award 2018? So the correct answer is option C, which is Kuldeep Singh. Noted singer Suman Kalyanpur and music director Mr. Kuldeep Singh have been selected for the Madhya Pradesh government's prestigious National Lata Mangeshkar Award for 2017 and 18 respectively in recognition for their contribution in the field of music. Question number 14. Who has won the 18th Delhi Open International Grand Masters Chess Championship? So the correct answer is option D, which is Abhijit Gupta. India's GM Abhijit Gupta beats Alex Drow of Belarus in the 10th and final round on Thursday to win the 18th Delhi Open International Grand Masters Chess Championship. Question number 15. Which country will offer an e-visa facility for Indian tourists? So the correct answer option C, which is South Africa. South Africa will now offer an e-visa facility for Indian tourists. South Africa's tourism minister Manokolo Kubai Nubane said that the online visa application portal will be rolled out in India on a pilot basis. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.